Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
All right, so we are back. So today's topic is going to be not only about you. What do I mean with not only about you? So basically I see as a big mistake, some people just talk about themselves all the time online. And that's something you should avoid because in the end, you have to pay attention to other people as well and take it out the focus from yourself. So do not always just talk about yourself or company.
So when did you know you wanted to be a model?
I guess it would have to be the first time I went through the second grade. I caught my reflection in a spoon while I was eating my cereal, and I remember thinking, wow, you're ridiculously good looking. Maybe you could do that for a career.
Do what?
Be professionally good looking.
So there are ways around that. If there is a tool, for example, you can use shout outs. It's just like in real life, offline world. You know, everybody likes to be praised and get some attention from other people. So you can use shout outs to let others people know, what your listeners are doing and share their achievements, and also, basically use your feed to promote them. That's the way it should be used sometimes. I'm not saying you should give up about talking about yourself, but not only talk about yourself. That's my point. So use that to help out your listeners. And they will appreciate that because they will feel that you really care about them. And when you started to spread their good news around, these will improve your relationship with them. So it's a win-win in the long term. So your job is basically to pay attention to announcements by your listeners. And if something you spot that is worth to mention and reshare, go ahead and acknowledge it. It's a human thing to do it, I think. So who doesn't like when someone comes and boosts their confidence and give them a well-deserved, tap on the back saying, good job, you did really well here.
This station is now the ultimate power in the universe. I suggest we use it.
Don't be too proud of this technological terror you've constructed. The ability to destroy a planet is insignificant next to the power of the Force.
Don't try to frighten us with your sorcerer's ways, Lord Vader. Your sad devotion to that ancient religion has not helped you conjure up the stolen data tapes, or given you clairvoyance enough to find the rebels' hidden fort.
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Enough of this. Vader, release him.
As you wish.
I saw that going differently in my mind.
Yeah, me too. So as an action plan, check your listener's profile often and try to pick up at least 2 recently accomplished or announcement they made it, and you give it a share. And you can also try to leave a nice, authentic comment, and hopefully people will see that on your feed, and also that's going to help them to be aware what's happening to this particular person that you are sharing and resharing their achievements. Okay, so that's the way to do it. So see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.